Thank you. I will now give the floor to Genève pour les droits de l'homme, Formation Internationale.
Thank you, Mr. Vice President. On transitional justice, OSCHR's latest fact-finding report on Bangladesh recommended, quote, to initiate an inclusive nationwide dialogue to develop a holistic and context-specific transitional justice model that embeds the fair and effective pursuit of criminal justice, especially for the most responsible perpetrators, unquote. Undoubtedly, serious human rights violations took place under the previous government. However, after the fall of the previous government, Bangladesh continues to witness similar patterns of violations with impunity. The current transitional government opened registration of criminal cases against over 500,000 political opponents, targeted journalists, removed the constitutional court judges, and does not address the systematic impunity. And there is no national human rights institution since 7th November 2024. In Bangladesh, including the Chittagong tracts, religious minorities have faced more than 2,000 attacks since 2024 after the fall of the government. There is a need for a country resolution on Bangladesh for establishing a credible transitional justice model to address violations, including those being committed under the current transitional government. Thank you.
Thank you.